We equally reject attempts to prescribe new rights that are contrary to our values, norms, traditions, and beliefs. We are not gays.
If we accept homosexuality as a right,
they also must recognize that their freedom also must be taken into the entire context of the society that they live in. Because this is not a question of governments accepting or not accepting. This is a question of society.
I think we are very primitive now because we are frowning upon homosexuality. Why should we be forced to do it? Because we want to be seen to be smart, to be seen to be civilized and advanced and so on. Because already you're tying it to aid. If that is how you're going to bring your aid, then I'm afraid the Western can leave us alone in our poverty, and we will continue scrounging and struggling and see how we can get going.
Respect African societies and their values. If you don't agree, you just keep quiet. Let's manage our society the way we see.
I think we also need to be able to speak frankly about some of these things. And the fact of the matter is that Kenya, the United States, we share so many values. But there are some things that we must admit we don't share. Our culture, our societies don't accept. It's very difficult for us to be able to impose on people that which they themselves do not accept. This is why I repeatedly say that for Kenyans today, the issue of gay rights is really a non-issue.
We go by the majority view of our people.
And we want to focus on other areas that are day-to-day living for our people.
If we are wrong, we shall find out by ourselves.
But as of now, the fact remains.
We are not gays.
And
at the moment, I don't see that in Ghana, it's not so far a matter which is on the agenda.
And
it's never a priority in Zimbabwe to deal with that issue.
we don't intend to make it a problem.